Boom, 2025. What is up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. Listen, I definitely want to come out and make this video for you guys because we are leaving 2024 going into 2025, and I just wanted to come on and give some thanks to some people, share my support, and tell you about some ideas that I have coming up in 2025, man. So first of all, I wanted to thank all my followers. All right, we did it for 2024. You guys showed up and you showed out, and I am so grateful for you guys. On our channel, man, I try bringing you so much content, something different from any other photography content and channel that you see. I love creating, I love designing, I love making things into a movie. I wanted to do something different on my channel that is not being done on other channels, man, and that's what I pride myself on day in and day out, and I couldn't have done it without you guys, my supporters, my followers. So the first people I definitely want to thank is my supporters, people who have been down with me since day one, people who did not turn the eye, turn the other cheek, and all of those things, man. So I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. You don't know how much that means. We're up to about 57,000 followers. Now, I know according to some other channels, you know, that has hundreds, 200, 300,000 followers, you know, that's great, but we are growing my channel ourselves. All right, we don't have a bunch of sponsors and a lot of people to just, you know, take over and do things for us. So what we do here and your support here, your comments, is all being done, you know, by ourselves. So I appreciate the grind and the ability to be doing this from day one, starting my channel and doing this on my own with you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I definitely thank each and every last one of you guys. I also want to absolutely thank everybody who's followed my journey as far as being an entrepreneur, developing the Black Dish, coming out with something that nobody has seen or done before in the history of humanity, man. I mean, that was a big step for me, being the CEO, you know, running my own company, dealing with overseas and a lot of different things I've learned as growing a business and being a business owner has definitely been such a blessing, man. Again, I couldn't have done it with you guys, people who didn't listen to, you know, haters, for better term, and people who actually listened to me and what I was trying to tell you about the idea, the product, and everything. And to this day, man, the Black Dish is doing absolutely amazing. Again, I will put that modifier up against any modifier out there. If we're doing portraits, you know, I definitely would, man. And I cannot thank you guys how much you supported me, how much you actually listen to somebody who actually does this day in and day out, and then just being in the corner. So everybody who has supported me and bought it and absolutely loved it, the comments that we get on Instagram, the stories, we look at it all, man. So I really appreciate you guys, man. If you haven't checked out the Black Dish, again, I'm gonna throw that plug in there. Make sure you guys go visit www.blackdish.com. And you can go ahead and support by buying the 40-inch or the 22-inch modifier. And again, we also have the all-new black C-stands, okay? I love the C-stands over there. It comes with a boom arm and all of that, man. So I definitely want to put that plug in there just in case you forget. Again, I also want to thank all the companies that who have engaged with me, who have sent me products to test. Again, I don't really put anything on my channel unless I use it, unless I can use it in an actual photo shoot. I'm just not getting free stuff like that and then just trying to tell you guys to go out and get it. Everything that I do and everything that I come out with, I'm either using it or telling you guys this is why you need to use this product, all right? So I really appreciate you guys who have bought some of the stuff that I've come out with. I want to thank the companies who trusted me enough to review their products and come out with my honest opinion and no bias after using the products. I want to thank Sony for allowing me to go to a few places in 2024 to send me some products, to review the products, and they know what I do on my channel. I do hear it from the Sony reps, giving my opinion on a few things, man. So hopefully in 2025 that relationship with Sony will continue to grow and get closer and get better. And that's here nor there. So I really appreciate everybody who has reached out to me in that area as well. I want to thank my models within all of 2024. I can't thank my models enough. You know, without my models and without having a very, very close relationship with my models, I wouldn't be able to bring out probably 80% of the content that I came out with. And my models deserve pretty much all the credit. For all my veteran models who have worked with me throughout the years, that we continue to come out with content, they continue to develop their portfolio, and they are making amazing names for themselves. And then also to my newer models who first time working with me, who was able to see it from a professional standpoint of view, who learned a lot about posing and etiquette and composition and lighting and character and a lot of different things that I teach my models. They were able to come and learn a lot of things from me from my photo shoots as a photographer. You know, I'm showing you things from a different standpoint of view that can help elevate your career and your path as a model. So it was very, very great to teach and show them a lot what it means to be a model. I want to also thank a lot of people who came out to all my photo walks in 2024. I know we didn't do as many as in 2023, but I do plan on doing a lot more photo walks going in 2025. All right. And I think that's all that. With that being said, on that last note about 2025, listen, again, man, 2024 was amazing. All right. It was amazing. You know, you learn everything. You don't learn a lot of things as you go. A lot of things about yourself as a photographer. My main goal and my main idea as a photographer is to be the most versatile photographer I can be. That has always been my motto. If nobody knows anything else about me, it is being the most versatile photographer out there. All right, that means shooting in the studio, shooting on location, shooting at any time of day. It don't matter what time of day it is outside. It can be 6 a.m. in the morning or 1 o'clock in the morning or midnight. Taking my lights out and being able to capture absolutely amazing images with perfect lighting is what I pride myself on. And that's what I'm proud of as a photographer, and continuing to get better and better and all that, and continuing to incorporate lighting techniques and different ways to make those shots better for my clients is what I pride myself on the most. So in 2025, I want to continue to expand on that. You never stop learning as a photographer. You continue to get better, especially if you are obsessed with what you do. You have to have a certain type of obsession to do what we do. Anybody who loves something that they do, they have to be obsessed with it. All right, that's the only way to be. You got to eat, sleep, and breathe that thing. And I absolutely love photography to my core, because I love the capturing. I love developing. I love the ideas. I like connecting with a lot of different people, a lot of models, and I like the challenge. Overall, I love the challenge. I love going into places that I've never shot before. I love working with models that I never shot before, because I always challenge myself on how can I get this person to do what I need them to do and they've never worked with me, or how can I shoot in this location? How can I make this location better? How can I pose my model in something or in an area that I've never shot before? I love those challenges, and I'm pretty perfect in that area. All right, I have this thing about being able to develop poses and being able to go into any type of situation and make a photo shoot out of it. And that's what I challenge myself on day in and day out. That's why I like being an on-location photographer. That's why I like doing what I do, because I love the challenge. In 2025, I definitely plan on challenging myself more in that area, going into more difficult, more congested areas and figuring out a way to get the shot. That's what I like doing. I hope to continue that in 2025. I hope to continue to do more photo walks in 2025. But every time, you want to set goals for yourself. My challenge to you models, you photographers out there, set goals in 2025 for yourself. All right. Whether it be, if you're a natural light photographer, learn lighting, learn how to use flash. If you're a flash photographer, venture off into other areas of photography. Learn how to do natural light. Learn how to, shoot weddings. Learn how to, work with portraits, or whatever the case may be. Whatever is going to put more money in your pocket. I think I said that on my channel before. I never want to be the type of photographer where a client calls me and they're asking me to do a particular photo shoot, and I don't know how to do it. I will never leave money on the table. All right. I need to know how to do that. Somebody call you up and say, hey, I want you to do a maternity shoot, graduation shoot. I'm proposing to my soon-to-be fiance about 8 o'clock at night at this restaurant. Can you come capture that for me? You know, or whatever the case may be, or 6 a.m. or you know, a sunrise a sunrise proposal on the beach or something like that. All of these different scenarios have one thing in common. They're all different lighting challenges. All these scenarios have different lighting challenges. And if you're not vast enough in those areas, if you're not knowledgeable enough in that area of lighting to go into all these different scenarios and figure out what gear you need, how you're going to get that shot, you leaving money on the table. That means you still haven't learned enough as a photographer. I never want to be that. I always need to know the equipment that I have and how would I get the shot in those different scenarios. That's important to me. That's the key to being a very versatile photographer. If you can't do it, then you know what you probably should work on or work towards in 2025. And that's my challenge to you. Work towards something that you're unfamiliar with, that you're uneasy about. Whether it be editing, whether it be lighting, whatever the case may be, let's work towards something new in 2025. I am looking to do a lot more traveling next year. I love hitting the ground with the photographers. I love getting out there and shooting with you guys. All right, I just don't want to be a face on YouTube that you guys see a lot of and you hear a lot of. I'm trying to get to coming to you guys. I know I'm thinking about going back to Atlanta next year. I will be coming back to Atlanta, but there are other places that I want to go that I haven't went to, like Detroit. I get a lot of people that's interested in doing some stuff in Detroit. I haven't been out to Cali yet. That's a little bit far, but I'm really hoping to work that out with some people. But right now, I got Atlanta on my radar. I got Detroit. I got Florida. I got New York. Those 4 places I'm looking to hit up this year. So again, Atlanta, New York, Detroit, Florida. All right, those are the places where I'm looking to get with some people. All right, so if you guys are in those areas, I'm gonna be coming your way in 2025. So make sure you guys check my Instagram page. Make sure you guys check my stories. I'm gonna be putting out a calendar when I know exactly when I come, and I'm gonna put it out early so I'll know. It's probably gonna be every quarter. So the first quarter we're doing Vegas. I might throw one more in there, and then every 3 months, which is a quarter, I'm going to try to go to a different area. All right, that way you guys can have a heads up on what's coming your way. All right, but yeah, man, I'm very excited about 2025, man. I was going to wait and do this video, but I figured I'd go ahead and put it out. Very excited about some things I have planned in 2025. Very excited about some upcoming things for the Black Dish, and I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys as we continue to roll. Blessings to you all. Merry Christmas that just passed, and Happy New Year to you guys, all you guys out there, man. I couldn't have did it without you, man. Let's roll this thing over in 2025. Let's get better. Let's get together and let's make this thing happen in 2025. All right, it is your boy Brandon. This is my last video for 2024. I will see you guys in 2025. Happy New Year to you guys. Let's get it.